hand together. Right hand C is here. Left hand C is here. Can you play C together same time? Let's go. D, E, F, G. Can you come back to F, E, D, C. Try again. D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Great! Try 3 times. First, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Second, D, E, F, G, F, E, D. Third, make sure always your fingers are curving. If you have difficulty to find out the location of the keys, you can write down the names of the note. C, D, E, F, G. That helps you when you play C. You look at the name of the note on the keyboard and play C and D, E, F, and G.